Why organic skincare is your best option. Please my channel subscribe. Organic anti-aging skincare, best organic skincare, best aromatherapy skincare, natural facial wash, organic skincare products, natural skincare, natural face care, best anti-aging creams. A lot of people have most probably heard of organic or all natural skincare products. However, it is pretty safe to say that there are only a few out there who truly know what organic actually means. So, what exactly does organic mean? In simple terms, organic means innate purity. Anybody can brand their products as being natural, but your products need to first get approved and certified before you can label them as organic. Several products are termed organic or all natural skincare products since they contain substances from purely natural sources like flowers, herbs, plants and minerals. In order to be categorized as organic, ingredients utilized in making organic skincare should be grown organically, without using chemical pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, bioengineered seeds or plants as well as ionizing radiation. With that in mind, you may begin to think what processes and/or chemicals are utilized in order to create skincare products that are non-organic? It may also get you thinking why skincare products which are labeled as all natural and organic are quite pricey. Everything has to be 100% organic from planting, growing, harvesting, processing as well as packaging. This only means that the ingredients used for organic beauty products are carefully grown and chosen. Now you have an idea on why they are priced as such, you need to learn why is it that you are better of using these organic and all natural products yourself. The skin, as you may already know, is the biggest organ in the body and it works hard in order to keep you protected every single day. It regulates body temperature and prevents germs from getting into the body. However, it has that sponge-like trait as well that allows it to easily absorb practically anything you apply onto it, and unfortunately, even some of these harmful substances are usually found in cheap products for skincare. By making use of organic and all-natural skincare products, your skin is not the only thing that benefits, but, in fact, your overall health. With these products, you do not poison yourself. All of the harmful chemicals that are found on synthetically made skincare products can get accumulated and eventually manifest itself in the form of skin rashes, allergies, inflammation and diseases. So, to keep this from happening, business management articles, use an all-organic product every day for your skin. The extra couple of dollars you will be spending on organic products give you more benefits than the cheap brands you'll find in the market. Please my channel subscribe.